What's your favorite part about fall? Is it the hay rides? Maybe the pumpkin flavor everything? How about those corn mazes? For me, it's gotta be the start of soup season. We just started having cooler temperatures here in Brunswick County, and I can't wait to show you the soup we're gonna be making today. I wish you could be in our kitchen and smell this soup right now. It's so delicious. If you're wanting the recipe, sign up for our newsletter at the link in the description. We'll see you again next time.